Alright, here are some problems for lesson 7, or chapter 7, lesson 5, and it's graphing inequalities. So, to graph this is in the slope-intercept form because we have y all by itself. So, remember we need to find the y-intercept, which is always the number not next to the b, or not next to x, so this is the y-intercept. And the slope is the coefficient in front of the x. Now, we don't have a number in front of the x, you can always put a 1 here. Then we can rewrite this as 1/2 x. Okay, so here is the coefficient in front of it, but remember it's negative 1/2. So, we first start with our y-intercept when we graph slope-intercept equations. So our y-intercept was 4, we go up to 4, and put a dot. Then we do our slope, which is negative 1/2. So we're going to go down 1 and over 2, always to the right. So there's our line. Now, with inequalities, we have to look and see if it's going to be a solid or a dotted line. Remember, if we have an equal to sign, it's going to be a solid line, and if we have a less than sign, it's going to be a dotted. Well, we have an equal to sign, so we're going to just draw a solid line. Okay? Then we have to determine where we're going to shade. Always pick 0, 0, when it doesn't go through 0, 0, just because it's an easy point to plug in for x and y. So we're going to plug in 0 in, for x and y. So 0 is less than or equal to 4 minus 0 divided by 2. Is 0 less than 4 minus 0? Yes. So this is a solution to our equation. So we're going to shade on the side that is on that dot, because that dot is on that side. So you always want to shade on the side. If the answer is yes, you shade on that side of the equal sign, or that side of the equation, the line. Or if it's a no, then you shade on the other side. Let's do another one. So we're going to a different one. This one is not in slope-intercept form; it's in standard form. Now remember to graph standard form and make an xy table, and you plug in your x and y intercepts, which are zeros for those, and you plug it in. So we have, for this first one, 3 times 0 minus 2y is less than 12. So this goes away. And we divide by negative 2 on both sides, so y is equal to negative 6. We have a point. Y is, or that first point is 0, negative 6. Now we do it for the, when y is 0, so we have 3x minus 2 times 0 is less than 12. This goes away, so we have 3x is less than 12, 3. So x is less than 4. So we write 4 here. So those are our 2 points that we're going to graph. So 0, negative 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the y-axis. And then 4, 0 is 4 over x. Now we go to see if it's a solid or a dotted line. We look at our inequality, and it does not have an equal to sign on it, so it's going to be a dotted line. Now, we have to shade when we have inequalities. So since 0, 0 is not on our line, we can use it as a point. So 3 times 0 minus 2 times 0, is that less than 12? Well, is 0 less than 12? It sure is. So this is a yes answer, so we are going to shade on this side of the line. Now remember, if it was a no answer, we wouldn't shade on this side, we would shade on the side opposite of the point that we picked.